up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my December Ipsy and Boxycharm. So everybody pretty much knows what Ipsy and Boxycharm is. So without further ado, let's see what I got for the month of December. Okay guys, so we're going to start with my Ipsy Glam bag, and woo! Here's my bag. It always comes in their branded bubble wrapped mailer, so let's see what's in here. Is there anything outside the bag? No. Okay. Ooh, this one's pretty. Look guys, it's like a rose gold color. How pretty is that? I really like this one. This is a really super cute bag. Okay, so let's open her up and see what's in store for me. Do they have a card with the stuff? Ooh, they do. So this month I have the actual stuff. Last month they didn't have that. I don't know why sometimes they do it and sometimes they don't. But anyways, let's start with this. Marine Care Eye Cream. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Here is the packaging on that one. So let me go ahead and see what do we got here. This is the deluxe sample. The full-size version is 30 milliliters for $36, and the sample size one is 0.33 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters. It was like in Japanese or something. I'm like, I can't read that. Okay, so yeah, not bad. I will definitely give the eye cream a try. I'm working on some other eye creams right now, but I'm always down to try a different one. Okay, this one's all bubble wrapped. Royalty Shimmer Eyeshadow. Where's that? Okay. I'm down. All right, so here it is, guys. Here it is in the packaging. Let's see. Gotta like really rip her open here. All right, let's see what I got. Ooh, those are pretty colors. Look at that. That's pretty. Okay. I am totally down to give those colors a try. Super excited about them. So let's have a look at this one. This is how do you pronounce it? Orza, I guess. Royalty Shimmer Palette. This is a full-size product, and the suggested retail price for this tiny little thing is $20. Okay. Well, hopefully it's good palette. I don't know. You guys want me to swatch? I can swatch for you guys. That's fine. Okay. That's not a good idea because I can't see anything. All right, guys. It's not really coming out very good on my skin. Like, none of it is. Wowzers, here it is. It's super light. It's totally blending in, but it'll definitely be different when I put like a primer on my eyes and stuff. So I'm still excited to have it, and obviously I have to keep it because I just stuck my fingers in it. Awesome. All right, what is this? Skyland Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin. Oh, my skin is stressed. Glacial Face Wash. Oh, it's a face wash with white willow bark. All right, guys, here it is. Obviously, this is going to be a deluxe sample. So let's see here. Yes, deluxe sample, the full-size version is 150 milliliters for $30. And then the sample size, I have 15 milliliters. So I decided to give that a try. I mean, it should be a few, probably 3-4 uses. So I can kind of decide whether I like it with that much. I don't know. It's a nice size sample, though. I'm not mad at it. What is this? Pixie by Petra. Here we go. There's that. And it's all bubble wrapped up. So let's open her up and see what we got going on here. So what is it? It's a glowy powder peach dew. It's pretty. So is it a blush then, guys? I'm guessing it's a blush. So let me see if I can open it for you guys. Because I'm definitely going to keep it. So it's not going to go in a giveaway or anything like that. So let's open her up and let's see what's going on here. I do pick this stuff up after I'm done, guys. But just while I'm filming, I just throw everything everywhere. And then I have a nice mess to clean up when I'm done. Oh, okay. So, I mean, that's a pretty color, guys. Yeah, I definitely will be keeping this, and I'm actually looking forward to using it. So, let's take a quick look here, guys. So, this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is 10.21 grams for $18. Guys, this is a nice size sample. I'm not mad at that at all. All right, so that's pretty exciting. I'm not upset with my bag at all. I usually never am. And this last product in here is First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer. Okay, so this is the only product in the bag that I'm not super excited about. I'll probably use it, but I'm not like, super stoked to have it. This is a deluxe sample, which is 9.6 grams or 0.34 ounces. And the full-size product is 1.7 ounces for $32. All right, guys, this was not a bad bag at all. I'm actually quite happy with it. I mean, I got a little bit of an eyeshadow palette that you can't see on my skin. How awesome is that? No, guys, honestly, I will. I think it'll be fine once I put it on my eyes and put the primer and stuff on. So I just don't think the swatches did it justice. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into what I got in my Boxycharm, which I did not tally up. I never remember to do that, so I'll do it after I unbox it. But here's my box. Woo! Ooh, kind of feels kind of hefty and meaty. That's pretty cool. All right, so if you guys want a sneak peek, this is what it looks like. I missed the foam they used to put in there. I always use the foam to clean my brushes, so it kind of stinks we don't have it anymore. So this year is Gift of Glam. This month is Gift of Glam. That's super pretty. I like the packaging. So obviously they have everything that they put in here. I never know what I'm going to get, guys, because I don't do the choices. I never remember, and I don't have time to look ahead of time. So I have Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. Okay, so here's this. Not super stoked about it, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go ahead and open it up though so you guys can see. Ooh, it's a dropper. Okay, so here it is. It's just a clear bottle, essentially, guys. So, yeah, it's just like a see-through bottle of serum. Not sure if I'll be keeping this one or not, but let's take a look at it here. So, it says it's perfect for all ages. The value of the product is $45. You get 1 fluid ounce. Ooh, baby. I mean, it must do some amazing things. I really don't know. I didn't want to waste my time reading it in front of you guys, but now I'm really curious. It reverses the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity while keeping the skin highly moisturized throughout the day. Okay, so, I mean, that's cool. Whatever. I'm not super excited about it. Can you guys tell? So then we have Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. What color is that? I don't know. Here it is, guys. Yeah, there it is in the packaging. What is it, though? Like, what color? They didn't tell me, so we're going to find out together here. Because, again, I have no idea what I got. It still doesn't tell me a color. All right, so I'm going to have to literally open this up, guys. Like, I have no idea. Let's just open her up because, I mean, I'm down for eyeliners anyways. So, oh, my goodness. I hate when it takes me forever to do something when I'm filming. You know what I mean? Like, nobody wants to sit here and watch somebody fumble around trying to get something opened up. This is not entertaining. This is not fun. This is not cool. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but it was just driving me crazy, and I feel like I'm trying to hurry to get things done, and then it just ends up going a lot longer. Nonetheless, here it is outside of its original packaging, and it is just a black eyeliner, guys. It's got like a felt tip. Now I'm getting better at using this kind. At first, I really hated them. I prefer the crayon kind, but honestly, guys, I'm getting better and better with it, and I did kind of put a little mark on my hand here, and I mean, it comes off really well, so hopefully it'll work well for me. We'll have to see. Let's see if I can find it on here really quick. Okay, here it is. It is $18 value on that, so you know, whatever. All right, so there's that one. Let's see what else I got here. What is this? Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Vanilla Bean Lip Mask, Intense Overnight Hydration. Okay, so ooh, you guys gonna see that? I don't know if you guys are gonna see it or not, but there it is. If you can see it, awesome. I never know until I, start editing the video. So here it is, guys. I will definitely give this a go. I usually don't like lip mask. Honestly, I have some. Ooh, it smells good. So there's what it looks like inside there and everything. But I would definitely give it a try since I can put it on at night. So, whatever. Where is it? Here it is. $32 value on this little container. So this is going to last me a really long time though. So I'm not mad at that. All right. I'll definitely give that a go. And then I have this TYNT Tinted Brightening Eye Cream. I got more eye cream. Okay. So awesome. I have another eye cream that I'm going to have to start working on. I do love getting eye creams, guys. I don't want to make it like I don't want this kind of stuff because I do. I just have a lot right now. So here's this one outside of its original packaging. I'm definitely excited to have it and everything. I just got eye cream in the other one though too. So it's like, how much eye cream can somebody have or use? But at any rate, TYNT Hydrating Tinted Eye Cream. The value for this product is $24. So, I mean, by the time I get to use it, you know, the price will probably have gone up like $10. All right, so the final thing that I got in my box here is Real Her Dream So Big eyeshadow palette. Yay! So I have an eyeshadow palette in this one too. How exciting and fun. All right, let's see here, guys. I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, okay. Dreams So Big. Here it is. I don't know. I mean, because when I'm looking at the camera, I can't see it, but hopefully you guys can because these lights are so bright. All right, so it does have a mirror, so I will block that. These are very neutral colors, but I'm not mad at it. I think it's an okay palette. Not sure whether I'll keep it or give it to my niece. I'm not really sure yet, but either way, it's going to stay in the family. So I could swatch it. Let me just see if this one swatches any bit. Oh, this one swatches a lot better than the other one, but it's still, the neutral shades on my skin tone obviously aren't going to show up as well. So, I was all over the place this video. Sorry about that, but that wraps up my Boxycharm. Let's do a quick recap because I did tally it up when I paused the video. So I got the Real Her Dream So Big eyeshadow palette, and the value for that product is $28, which isn't bad. Then we have the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. The value for that product was $45. Then we have the Wish Beauty Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with Boxycharm. I think that's how it's pronounced. The value for that product is $32. Then we have the TYNT Beauty Tinted Hydrating Tinted Eye Cream, and the value for that product is $24. And then finally we have the Seraphine, I guess it's pronounced, Botanicals Luna Eyeliner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. The value for that product is $18, making the grand total for this month's box $147. Guys, I love my Boxycharm. I love my Ipsy Glam bag. I'm definitely going to keep both of these companies in my rotation for next year. And I'll probably be adding another company since the Diva Bag by Sonia got canceled. She had to stop doing her bag, for those of you who don't know. So unfortunately, she won't have that anymore for now, but at some point, hopefully she'll be able to start it back up again in the future. So I might be on the lookout for another bag or box. So if you guys have any ideas, please comment in that. Please leave a comment in the comment section below so that I can kind of start looking around and see what is out there. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my Let's try again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my I was going to say Ipsy and Boxycharm before I said December. I need to say December first, so let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ann Bazaar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Ann. Did I say that right? I feel like I didn't, so try it again. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with Ipsy. Did that work? Yeah. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with my Ipsy Glam Pat. I'm going to stop recording. Try it again. And woo! Here's my bag. It always comes in their, what is this called? Branded. Try it again.